Hi YouTube, here I have the MeterTeck professional multimeter. As you can see, this is what it comes with. You measure AC/DC voltage, resistance, and DC current. This thing is compact and light. It's very light. It's got a continued beeper test. You get an extra pair of cables and a 9-volt battery, which I guess it's in here. It also has a kickstand on it, and you get a free 1-year warranty and an e-book. If you guys have any questions about this item, you can ask me down below. I also put the link down below to the item, and you can check it out. Thanks for watching.